Hello, seekers of success. Today we embark on a journey to uncover the daily habits that propel ordinary individuals to extraordinary heights of success. From visionary entrepreneurs and accomplished artists to innovative thinkers and resilient leaders, successful people across all walks of life share one common trait: a commitment to daily habits that foster growth, productivity, and fulfillment. Habits are the building blocks of success. They shape our thoughts, actions, and ultimately our destinies. Yet for many, the path to success seems elusive, shrouded in mystery and complexity. How do successful people achieve their goals? What sets them apart from the rest? The answers lie in the daily rituals and routines they incorporate into their lives. These habits, though seemingly simple, wield immense power to transform our lives and propel us toward our goals with unwavering determination. As we explore the daily habits of successful people, I invite you to approach this journey with an open mind and a willingness to learn. The insights we uncover today have the potential to revolutionize your approach to life and unlock new levels of achievement and fulfillment. So, are you ready to discover the daily habits that can catapult you to success? If so, let's dive in and explore the key practices that have empowered countless individuals to realize their dreams and live life on their own terms. Success is not a destination, it is a journey. A journey defined by the daily habits and choices we make. By embracing the habits of successful people, you take a powerful step toward creating the life you've always dreamed of. Are you ready to embark on this journey of transformation? Are you ready to cultivate the habits that will lead you to success? If so, let today be the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter filled with purpose, passion, and unlimited potential. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. May the habits we explore today serve as guiding lights on your path to success. And always remember, the power to achieve greatness lies within you. Seize it with courage, determination, and unwavering belief in yourself. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with success, abundance, and joy.